Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing an instant version of Adhirasam, a popular sweet from Tamil Nadu, India, perfect for this Diwali. It tastes just as good as the traditional version, but the best part is there is no fermentation and no jaggery syrup consistency needed. Let's get into the recipe. First, take 1 cup of store-bought rice flour and 1/4 cup of water. Add the water little by little and mix thoroughly. Rub the flour gently with your fingers, just like how we prepare puttu flour. The flour consistency should be like this. When you hold it tightly, you should be able to form a ball, and when you crush it, it should turn into powder again. Now sieve the flour well to remove any lumps. Cover with a plate to retain moisture and set it aside until use. Next, take 1 cup of jaggery, 1 cup of water and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Bring it to a boil until the jaggery melts completely. Strain it to remove impurities. Then boil it again until it starts bubbling as shown in the video. Add the prepared rice flour little by little, stirring continuously. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee at regular intervals and keep mixing until it turns into a thick dough-like consistency. To check if it is ready, take a small portion of dough and roll it into a ball. If you can shape it easily, it is perfect. Allow it to cool completely. Take a small lime-sized ball, place it on parchment paper and flatten it gently, not too thick and not too thin. Alternatively, you can place the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper and press it to form a perfect circle. Now drop them gently into hot oil one by one. Make sure the oil is not too hot. It should be at medium heat to ensure they cook evenly on both sides. Once the adhirasam puffs up, flip it over and fry until golden brown. Gently press with the ladle to remove excess oil. Continue the same process until all the dough is used. Traditionally, Adhirasam is made by soaking raw rice, grinding it into a flour, preparing a jaggery syrup to a jelly-like consistency, then mixing both and fermenting for 2 days. During fermentation, the rice flour and jaggery blend beautifully. The dough is then shaped and deep fried, resulting in an amazing flavor and texture. I have tried that traditional method many times, but I could never get it right. The dough often breaks apart when frying. I know many of you might have faced the same problem too. For people like us, this instant adhirasam is a true savior. No fermentation and no jaggery syrup consistency needed. It is a foolproof recipe that anyone can make successfully. Our instant adhirasam turned out so delicious. Try it out and let me know in the comments how yours came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and travel vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.